When we're touring homes with our clients, we want to make sure that we're taking a look at all different types of features within the home. Today we're starting in the kitchen here, and one of the first things that I do check out with my clients is the venting, which is actually right above us here. They've updated this with the individual venting above here. If it were tucked away in a cabinet, you want to make sure that it's venting up, especially for those families that like to cook a lot. Another thing that I like to check out with my clients is making sure that the GFCI in the kitchen, the electrical, is updated. That's going to be one of the costlier things when updating a home is going to be electrical. So you want to see how much of that has been updated. Another feature that you want to check not only in the kitchen but the bathrooms is the water pressure. And with these updated homes, you can see here that they've got a lot of wonderful water pressure. And the appliances that they have here, these have all been updated. We've got Viking and Wolf and the Bosch updated appliances, and so that's something that you're going to want to take a look at, as well as cabinetry. A lot of people don't know cabinetry can be one of the most expensive items in a kitchen, and they've done a wonderful job here updating those and adding the new fixtures. And another item that you want to check out is the lighting. They've got the recessed updated lighting here, and they've done that throughout the home, and that can be another feature that's really important, that when you're touring the home, you'll notice a lot of lamps and things like that, but once you move in, you want to make sure that you have those lighted features.